Hello everyone. So today we'll be learning some commands of NX Unigraphics. This is a plastic part, so I will try to use some of the commands which are very commonly used in. Let's start it. So this is a complete solid plastic body. So this is a side of cover of the console. Uh, we're going to extract now this style surface. This extract geometry, and we'll also see what is the use of these associative height, original, and everything. So first of all, we need to extract the surface, right? So we'll go and select face. Now let's if it's a single face, then we'll make a body face, right? Face chain. So let's select the face chain. Uh, we need a tangent surface over here. Let's click on the surface. This will extract the complete surface, which are tangent to each other. So this is select these. So we see that almost all the whatever surface which are tangent to each other are extracted here. Now I'll explain what is the use of these associated renown. So first of all, we'll see what is this extract without holes. So if I do click on this, this means that if you if you check this extract without holes, so what will happen when you extract the surface, whatever this hole what you see here, this hole will not be there. So we will get a complete patch surface here, and this hole will be deleted. But this is a cutout, this is not a hole, right? So this will not be deleted. So let's see the result. Press OK. Now this is our final actual body, so we'll hide the body. And I see the surface. This is the extractor surface we're looking for. And see, I mean, since I have checked that option without hole, so the hole is missing now, right? It's removed. Similarly, but we still have the cutout, so you can't delete the cutout, right? And this is just a surface. Now we'll go in the command again, double click here. Extract face. Right click, say edit with rollback. You see this? Now we will, if I uncheck this, extract without hole, you will see the extract surface is having the hole now. Yes, there it is. So this is the use of this extract hole. Now let's remove this associativity and see how it responds. So that's okay. You see this? This shows that the link is broken over here. So if you want to relink it, double click it and select the face. Which face? You need to hide the original body. So this is the face. Keep on the tangency. There it is. And we need to select this as well. Say okay. So you see, whatever the link which was broken showing here is gone now. This is like a parametric surface. Once you click it, it has you see the parent is showing in pink. The other method is you can do right click and click on the browse. So here you see this has been extracted from this solid path. Okay. Now we'll hide the actual body, and let's just delete the hole here. So this way we can link it. Another thing is, if you want to isolate this extracted surface. You don't want any history. So like we do in CATIA where we isolate any surface. But in NX, if you remove the history permanently, you won't be able to get it back. You won't be able to relink or make it parametric once you completely remove the history. So we will see how to do that. Right click on the surface. We'll extract, we won't do anything on this. We'll extract a new body here. So this is it. This is the new body. Now hide the original one. Again, if you want to see the history of the parent children, you can click on browse and you see this has been extracted from the extract phase 2. That's it. So this is a matter of seeing the parent and children the way we do in CATIA. Now let's make this body as a fully non-parametric body by removing all the surface, all the parent and children. So we have to go to the command called remove parameters and select the body on the surface, and then yes, and then click OK. That's yes, you will see the difference. You see, this is a complete dumb body now. So if you want to relink it, edit with rollback, you see that option is not showing here, right? That option is not showing here that you can relink it. If I double click also, you won't be able to relink it with any parent and children. So this is a complete isolated non-parametric body. This is how you make it in NX, the way you do in CATIA by isolating any surface that curves. So now if I need to identify how many bodies are there, because generally when you do a big body design, so your tree is so big that you won't be able to identify, right? How many bodies, because this is a surface, but it is showing it as a body, right? So you like in a big tree, if you want to know like how many bodies and surface are there in a tree, so you can do right click and you see this timestamp order, you just uncheck it, and this shows that how many sheet met. This is a sheet body, and there's one solid body, right? So there is one solid body and two surface. So this is how you can identify like how many bodies or sheet metals are there, or sheets or surfaces there in the tree. Again, right click, go to timestamp order. So this is the actual body, right? Another method is to know if you want to know like how many bodies or surfaces are there in my tree. So we can go ahead and show the surface or body. You see this? This is a show and hide command where if you want to hide all the sheet bodies, you just click hide, and we have that surface, right? If you want to bring back the solid body, say bring it on the solid body, and you see this is the actual body, right? So this is another method of hiding surface or the solid bodies. So this is our, complete non-parametric body, a surface. So this is a parametric surface because it has a history, right? But this body don't have any history when we pay into children, so we call it as a non-parametric body. If you want to rename it, right click and say non-parametric. Okay, and this is parametric, right? Hope that helps to understand different commands in NX. Thank you.